This video is for replacing old door handles. If you are installing door handles for new doors, please adjust your installation order according to the video. Confirm or set the door hole. Check that the door hole as shown on the screen is suitable to install this door handle. If not, modify or create a new door hole. After everything is ready, now you can install the door handle. Put a plastic dust box on the door frame. Cover the plastic dust box with a strike plate. The curved side of the strike plate faces inward. Tighten with short self-tapping screws. Installation of latch on the door panel. Set the arc of the latch and the arc of the strike plate to be the collision surface. Insert the latch onto the 1-inch door hole. Tighten with short self-tapping screws. Install the outer handle. Check that the outer handle is locked. If it is locked, turn the locking bar counterclockwise so that it is level with the outer handle. The outer handle has been unlocked. The outer handle is inserted from the outer door through the spindle cam of the latch. Install the inner handle. If the knob of the inner handle is oriented vertically, please turn the knob to horizontal so that it is in the same direction as the locking bar. Install the inner handle. As the above moving diagram for the correct installation process of the internal and external handles. You can watch it several times to get the right guidance. Use long screws to make the inner and outer handles initially fixed. Hold the rosette of the handle with your hand so that the handle is horizontal. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Test and run. If the inner handle is locked, turn the knob 90 degrees counterclockwise to unlock it. The inner handle can turn to open the door. The knob can be locked by turning 90 degrees clockwise. If the outer handle is locked, use a coin or tool to unlock the outer lock hole by turning it clockwise at 90 degrees. The outer handle can turn to open the door. Use a coin or tool to lock the outer locking hole by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. By this point, you have completed your project.